Give the IUPAC names of the following compounds. Let us take compound 1. Always numbering, we should start from the carboxylic carbon. 1, 2, 3. So the root word in the first compound is prop. Okay. Propanoic acid, saturated compound propane, last letter E replaced by oic acid. So it is propanoic acid. But what is there on the third carbon atom? Phenyl group is there. So the name of the compound is 3-phenyl propanoic acid. The name of the compound is 3-phenyl propanoic acid. Now let us take second compound. In the second compound, the longest chain, let us see how many carbon atoms are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the root word is but. In the second compound, the root word is but. The root word is but. So but, and the compound is not saturated, it is an unsaturated compound. Where is double bond on the second carbon atom? So but to 2-ene, last letter E should be replaced by oic acid. But to 2-ene oic acid. And what is there on the third carbon atom? Methyl group. So it is 3-methyl but to 2-ene oic acid. So the first compound is 3-phenyl propanoic acid. Second compound is 3-methyl but to 2-ene oic acid.